Hello everyone, Amanda here with Eclectic Scribbles. I'm back to you today with a brand new video. So today's video, I wanted to be a bullet journal style video, and I found this really great prompt from Journaling Your Way over on Instagram, which is basically an about me page that people are doing in their bullet journals, and I figured I would take you along as I set mine up, and then you can see the end result. I'm having some issues speaking because I've got a swelling gland in my throat, and so this would be perfect because I don't have to talk all the way through it. So I'm going to turn you over to the time lapse really quickly, and we are going to get started on this about me page, and I will walk you through it at the end. Okay, y'all, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for the All About Me page. So random facts: I have over 20 tattoos and 3 piercings, not including my ears, but I am scared of needles. I laugh and cry hysterically at the same time when I am really scared. I don't like sweets, I know, but I will eat a Reese cup if you give it to me. Likes: art, music, making paint, trying new things, animals. The colors purple and silver are my favorites. Dislike: bugs, spicy food, slow drivers or walkers, or slow anything. Empathetic, caring, crafter, artist, singer, shy, crazy dog lady, control freak. I am 39 as of this past month, and I am a Pisces, obviously, because I was born in March. And this is all about me. I also love to Zentangle, so that is a recent passion. But that is going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more artsy type videos like this, and what kind of bullet journal videos you would like to see next. I will be back on Thursday with a brand new video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that little subscribe button and the notification bell so you are informed each and every time I upload new content. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.